Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to all the participants of our today's webinar. This is Bakhtaver Mahmood and I welcome you all to this very interesting webinar of our series that has been organized by AIIA. Our today's webinar topic is about the Japanese management mistake, and it's going to be a very interactive one. So a heads up for all the participants to please have your questions ready in our chat box, and we will try our best to keep it as interactive as possible. So this webinar, it is organized by the Asian Institute of Industrial Air, which is the AII trainings. That's the only institute in Pakistan that's offering advanced level of certified training courses in the domain of industrial air engineering, automation, production engineering, and as well as the media and arts. So AIIA, it identifies and addresses the need of the industry as well as the industry professionals to upgrade their skills which are pertaining to the industrial requirements. I would love to introduce the different levels of training that AIIA is currently offering. That is the training of the industry professionals. That includes training of early and mid-career level individuals, which is according to the current industry demand. Training of the fresh graduates, which provides fresh graduates with an opportunity to build a relevant skill set according to the market needs. They also provide customized trainings based on the customer need for industries to get most of their workforce. Apart from this, there are opportunities for the professionals to use their skills as well as trainers and resource person by sharing their experience and expertise. But as I have promised from Dr. Suhail P. Ahmed that I'll keep the introduction very short. So without any further delay, I'll introduce our guest speaker for today's session. The topic is Japanese management mistake, and Mr. Suhail Ahmed, he specializes in the leadership, strategic management, and turnaround of the organization and the startups and the startup new ventures. Mr. Suhail has more than 49 years of experience in the industry, and having been the CEO at various companies in the public and the private sector organizations. And he has been the member of 13 board of companies in both the sectors and has been working with the Japanese companies since 27 years and has recently been the recipient of the Order of the Rising Sun with the Golden Neck Ribbon by the government of Japan. We also have with us our panelist, Dr. Arshad Ali. He's the CEO of AII Institute, is also the recipient of Sitara Imtiaz in Pride of Performance from Government of Pakistan, and he has completed his PhD from the United States of America and has served as the Executive Director of Higher Education, HEC Pakistan. He has been the Vice Chancellor of National Textile University, Faisalabad, and Dean NUST Islamabad and Pakistan Air Force. So without further any delay, I will request all the participants, if they have any question, they can leave them in the chat box so that we can answer it towards the end of the presentation and the discussion.